There are two major ways to organize your references: projects and folders. Projects let you create a collection of references separate from your other references. When you're working with a document in Word or Google Docs, you can only access the references from one project at a time. To create a project, click the arrow next to Untitled Project at the top of the page, and then click Manage Projects. Here, you can create a new project or rename and share an existing project with the Actions button. Folders let you organize references within the same project. We've already seen how to add new references to folders. To see your existing folders, click the My Folders icon on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you can see the references in each folder and click on the triangles next to them to see subfolders. By clicking the dots next to a folder name, you can edit the folder or make a new subfolder. You can also click Share Folder or Sharing Settings to share the folder for group or lab work. By clicking Settings For, you can choose to share the folder with specific people or with everyone at PCOM. Under Shared With, you can invite specific people to the folder and let them read, annotate, or modify it. Once you have references saved, RefWorks can output them in any citation style. The easiest way to do this is to download RefWorks Citation Manager for Word or Google Docs, which lets you insert references as you write. If you only need the citation itself, select a reference, then click the Create Bibliography icon at the top of the screen. From here, click Create Bibliography. Here, you can click the style name and output the reference in over 6,000 citation styles. By clicking Recent Styles, I can change the output from AMA style to APA style. Many journals have their own styles, so if you're submitting to a journal, search RefWorks for the journal name. You can also use the Citation Style Editor under the Create Bibliography icon to customize any citation style. To download RefWorks Citation Manager, click your name in the top right, then click Tools. This has downloads for some useful add-ons. Install Save to RefWorks puts a bookmark in your browser that saves website citation information to RefWorks. Below that, you can find instructions on how to install RefWorks Citation Manager for different programs and operating systems. I'll show off Citation Manager for Word, and the Google Docs and Hangul versions work the same way. For newer versions of Word on PC and Mac, you'll have to install Citation Manager in Word by searching for RefWorks in the Word store. If you already have the old version installed, called Write in Cite, I recommend installing the new version because the two versions don't talk to each other. Once you've installed Citation Manager, an RCM tab will be added to Word. Click that, then select RefWorks Citation Manager to open the sidebar. The first time you open it, you'll have to log in with your RefWorks username and password. You'll then see all the references in your current project and the citation style at the top of the sidebar. You can search your references in the sidebar or select All References to choose a folder or change your project. Click the hamburger menu in the top left to change the citation style. I'm changing to AMA style, then clicking Update. Now, let's start citing. After the first sentence, I want to cite the first reference, so I hover over it and click Cite This. Next, I'll add another reference for the second sentence. Once you've added a citation, you can add a bibliography. Click where you want to insert your bibliography, then select the hamburger menu. Select Bibliography off to turn it on. Now, the bibliography will update whenever you add a new reference. If you use the same reference again, like this, RefWorks will recognize it's already in the bibliography. It will also automatically reorder the citations and bibliography as needed. If I add in a new sentence before the others, and a new citation, the in-text citations and bibliography will reorder automatically. If any references aren't showing up in the sidebar, click the hamburger menu, then click Document and References to force it to refresh. You can edit the citations and bibliography within the text, but this will be rewritten every time you refresh. It's better to edit citations within RefWorks, not in your document. These are the basics of using RefWorks. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at jacquelinewee@pcom.edu.